Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to cook the deluxe seafood platter in Heartopia. In here, first buy the recipe from NPC Massimo, and after that just go to your house and then tap on stove and then just choose the deluxe seafood platter, this one. In here, you need to prepare ingredients. You need 2 European crayfish, this one, and then you can fish them at the forest lake. You can check the link in the descriptions if you want to see my fishing trick tutorial. And then you also need to fish of any kind. Yes, any fish will works. And then once all ingredients are complete, just tap on cook and just cook the seafood platter. And okay, like this, you're done. You have successfully cooked the deluxe seafood platter. If this is your first time cooking it, there will be a special animations like this. And okay, that's how you can make deluxe seafoods in Heartopia. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.